Vo inni hianin ka thiante ka Huan siampui te choya ka soma nithum kalta ka birthday nia kami handen chen pa ni pa formin le ka thian pakhat ka Huan siampui te jinga mi Jerome chu menen chuan kan birthday in anga chumi lompa ti de ule an hne na lom thu soina ni pa in he mi panga cho ian local dona ka Huan siampui te palian ni ani tu pa George ania pu George Jerome Michaela Gary an nu puiran shwaya nga chuan I ka in tinge Huan siam hi ka chol san to don to ma sen ka du an hling te na kinaron tual tro le nga khang te kha ka du ka han la le nga beliang te ron ra huna ka ta ang meya ka le en chun zom tho chu ka ringa ka du le Huan te ka han po fai puenga I an mani ne na lom thu soi ni pa formin le kan la cham chunga an Huan te po du ka la lu du awangin choya som hi ka ba shima I video siam hi ka tum lawa ma sen ka thian ten siam ro I thian te kan hucha kan tia chu wang chu anin I toite kan siam nga an ron thlen huna po a then chu lak te pon lo du lo me thenga ma seng he kanin puwa chana heng hi min lo thlir pui don neu o kan chu me siam kan lo en thuak ang hei hi lam curry ania tui don lutuka chuan hi sangha curry ani ta Huana curry pata te oma ani chuan han ngai nan sha lo wangin I South Indian style in curry pata enge coconut milk nen kan siama hei hi chicken tandoori nia chuan hei hi asparagus nia avarchi cheese le herbs le peppers nen te ka te na kina edon tre pa ur zoi nia chuan hei hi vai paden hi chang Huana bal hat luwa vai paden mania ka siama nia ka frozen thina chu tem ve shim sen ka tia hei hi US a kan zina sachek fendaran sakhi sarep min pek thang te ka chumi nen chuan ania chuan bokbon artui leu te hi Huana bokbon ania e ve chin seng ka ti boka chuwa chuanin mizo chuan kan du hle ni bokbon artui leu tem ve shim sen ka ti ni chuan heng hi kan chhop tur then khatani ta hei hi dessert tange appetizer a kan chhop don ka hretsia lowa chuan strawberry blueberry cheese te hi nakina so e kham huna wine nen te pon in duanga chuan e cashew nut le badam chuan heng hi lo kan lo chhop bokanga kan thiante tamjok pali 7 day an ni wang hian zu an in kher lo o pathum ka tina nu pa local tur te chau hian an in karinga ma seng wine te chun in ve nei the ei te hi gin ania tonic nen an in du takin te ka tia tonic te ka lo la chuan zu in mi an ni vak lo wangin zu hi chu in rin vak ngai lawa siam pe lo wangin kan ti vel me ang chuan he salad rocket leaves arugula antenia nakina edon tre pa avocado olive oil vel ne kan beanga chuan he te hi papaya salad turan ni boka chuan he te hi sangria kan nei boka wine thum chi beer kan neya so te nunglam po so beer loma so lai po so dark and stormy chuan he lai hi coca-cola te oma chuan in he hi champagne ani lawa he hi rose and sparkling wine ang kha chu an in du takin chuan he hi tonic le soda water nia ser thum tui le apple okay please come this is Gary and his wife yeah please come so this is a present from Gary and
this it. Oh, you're
yeah, this is a special one. Thank you so much, Gary.
Thank you. Your birthday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, you know,
I find since the lockdown, I drink more wine.
I said hello that much.
Yeah, it is
just
George.
passed in the.
Passing.
Oh, Mike, is that you bake, Mikey?
Yeah.
You bake it yourself.
Happy
Wow.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What do you want for?
Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to me.
Calling you for the Trying to get
Well, can make
from
amends for his lateness
He
by
just came from church, so he can bless.
Okay,
bless you for
Jerome, will you say grace?
Grace.
Hi. All right. Okay.
Heavenly Father, thank you for the food that has been prepared for us. Thank you for life, Lord. You've given Juan a new birthday. You've given me a new birthday. And I'm sure that others will follow. Unfortunately, they were born in the good month of October. As we partake of this meal, Lord, we ask that you will bless it to our bodies. And also, Lord, bless the hands who have to wash the dishes afterwards. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Oh, yeah, you've been nominated for that. Yeah.
I dare anybody to eat it.
Smile.
It's what?
Venison.
No, it's not that.
That's not that.
All right. Anyway,
Because of fire.
okay. He is the one who baked the cake, Mikey.
Oh, broke his leg.
Yeah, this is Michael. He's the one who baked the cake.
But guess what?
And this is-
I know
Jerome, come on before you keep.
Yeah. Come on.
Happy birthday
No, no, let's go with the traditional first.
Okay.
Yeah, let's, yeah.
Happy
What is the
birthday.
It's on, right, Mon?
Happy birthday.
Is it already on?
Yes, it's already
Happy
on.
birthday,
Okay. Oh,
dear
shit.
Jerome and Mon. Happy birthday to you.
It's the host.
Okay, let's blow.
No, you blow on the cake.
You have to fan
You
it.
got fan it.
Are we going to sing happy birthday or what?
Really blow it.
Okay.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerome and Juan. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Clap, 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 clap.
Yay!
Fun.
Be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, COVID. Yeah.
Yeah, no spitting on the cake.
It wouldn't go.
I hope you made a wish.
Okay.
Hope you made a wish.
I did. Be in the Philippines soon.
So I suggest take out the strawberry. Did you say Philippines or full of beans?
Well, what were you doing? Sail on a boat back from there too, isn't it?
Okay, here, baby. Happy birthday.
Yeah, well, Lord.
Remove the
What?
strawberries first.
All right,
Let me
yeah.
know.
We gotta remove
Yeah.
the candles first.
And take out the strawberries.
Take out the strawberries.
Okay.
Mommy, that's sweet.
What, the cake?
Icing.
Oh, there's some ice cream.
So you
Yeah.
expect
Juan, when you will we turn this thing off? I feel like I'm working for CBS.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Just like hit the red button.
And here Kamala Harris.
Hey, coconut cake at 3 a.m. Emily.
I don't want that big big.
Nobody.
Hey, Mike Kalanya.
I know who won in
So
this
kami
flight.
sa Georgia niya, kami
Flight
ang
and
native
Princess.
po Georgia, Bermuda, and police.
I think she wanted it, but
I watched the
let's put it this way. I watched the
This
first
is my
half.
baby boy, Jerome.
She did
Questions.
She did
Most of the
what she has to do. You know, she didn't cause any
Manny.
damage to Biden, and then she didn't
And
come
this is
across
Marianne.
as a strong, forceful woman. She just did right what she had to do.
People vote.
But he was worse. He didn't answer nothing.